Hi there. If you're looking for an easy and automated way to evaluate people, scored quizzes are the perfect solution for you. With online scored quizzes, you can assign points to each answer in a question and have the software automatically calculate the respondent's total score. These scores can then be used to deliver personalized outcomes, such as a performance rating or level, example, beginner, intermediate, or expert, and tailored feedbacks or recommendations, or even certificates based on their result. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a score quiz in Formester and also show a unique outcome based on the scores. So without any ado, let's get started. So step 1, log into your Formester account and then click on new form. And from here, you can choose to do this manually or use the AI quiz builder to create the quiz. So I have selected AI quiz and then here I have selected score quiz, and I can drop in a simple prompt such as generate a math quiz with the following questions, answers, and scores. So I have the questions over here and then the options and the desired points for that. All I have to do is click on generate form. So as you can see, the AI has generated a quiz with single choice fields. Let's quickly enable the question number. So for this tutorial, we're going to have a 10 question math quiz, and the right answers will get 3 points and the most close to the right answer will get 1 point. Now let's delete this reCAPTCHA. Now let's quickly check whether the scores have been assigned properly. To do that, simply head over to advanced and under form control, you will find score quiz. Click on that and this will bring up this UI. So let's go through each one in detail. So first we have show feedback. If you toggle this on, basically it will show the right answer to the user when they input an incorrect answer. And you can also allow the user to edit their answer. And here we have something known as allow multiple variables. This will allow you to change the variable for each individual option on different questions and assign unique values to them. For this tutorial, we'll keep them as core. So we'll keep this toggled off. And here we have the question, and here we have the option, and here we have a variable called @score. You can create your own variables if you want to, and here we are basically assigning a score. So if for the right answer we are assigning a value of 3, and the answer that is close to the right one, we are assigning a value of 1. We can leave this empty, which defaults that to 0. Let's keep this as 1. So likewise, the AI has assigned the right scores to the right answers for all the different 10 questions. Now let's hit save. Now let's see how to show unique outcomes based on the overall score the respondent gets from this quiz. Now for this tutorial, I want to show 3 different outcomes based on the overall score. So if the respondent gets a score between 0 and 14, I want to show them a page saying, hey, you are a beginner. And likewise, I want to do the same for intermediate and expert. Now to do this, I have to create 3 different thank you pages. So we have thank you page 1, thank you page 2, and thank you page 3. And the idea behind this is that based on the overall score, I want to redirect the user to a different thank you page, thereby showing them a different outcome. Now let's quickly rename this. So I have renamed and customized all 3 thank you pages. So we have the beginner, intermediate, and expert. Now to customize the thank you page, simply click on the thank you page field, and here you can change the heading. And in the description, I'm recalling this variable score to show the total score the person has scored. To do this, simply use the @ and search for the variable score and click enter. And to add images to this thank you page, simply toggle on this image, and here you can choose the image. You can upload your own image or you can use Unsplash. Likewise, I have done the same for the intermediate rating and expert. Now let's see how to redirect the user to a specific thank you page based on their overall score. To do this, we have to use something known as conditional logic, which you can find under form control, named as rules. Simply click on that and click on add rule. So this will bring up an UI where you can create your conditional rules. In summary, conditional rules will help you show or hide fields or pages, or even carry out calculations whenever a specific condition is met by the user. So it's a basic if-then statement. In this case, if the variable @score is greater than 0 and if this variable score is less than 14, then we want to show a different thank you page, which will be beginner. So basically, if the total score is between 0 and 14, the thank you page beginner will be shown. And likewise, we can do the same for the remaining pages. If a score is greater than, in this case, 15, and a score is less than 23, then I want to show the thank you page intermediate. So I have created the rules. Let's hit save. Now let's quickly change the theme of this and let's hit publish. Let's carry out a small test. So let's start answering the quiz. So for the first one, it's so as you can see, I have scored a perfect score of 30 because I have answered all the right answers. Now let's carry out one more test to see the other outcomes. As you can see, this has given me the thank you page for the rating intermediate because I have scored a value of 18, which is between 14 and 23. So that's it for the short tutorial. I hope you found this to be valuable. If you want to test out this core quiz by yourself, make sure to click the link in the description. And as always, I will see you in the next video.